शङ्करो यो विराजते गुरुर्नाम्नां महिम्नां च शङ्करो यो विराजते तदीयाङ्घ्रिकलध्रेणु कणायास्तु मनोमा. Namaste. Welcome back to Natya Sangeet Utsav session 2. I hope you all enjoyed the first session as much as we enjoyed seeing the encouraging positive comments and feedback from you all. I am sure you will agree with me that it was refreshing to enjoy this event from the comfort of your own home. We have a lot of wonderful performances today from our fellow Cambridgeites. Like last week, we'll have interesting segments between performances talking about the compositional varieties in Carnatic music. We also have a quiz for you all to participate and respond in the chat window. Congratulations to last week's raffle winner, Manasa. We'll have a similar raffle this week. We'll announce this week's winner towards the end of today's session. Now for a couple of technical announcements. If you are experiencing any buffering or audio video sync issues, please refresh your browser. Also make sure you are not streaming on multiple devices from your home. Some of you asked us about the video recording and the chat history. Once this event is over, you will be able to access both through the same link that you are using to view this event. Thank you all for tuning in and for your support and encouragement. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's performances.
Hello, my name is Nani and I'm going to sing a bhajan. Rama 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 Nama Tarakam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam Janaki Manoharam Sarvalokanayakam Shankaradisevyamana Divyanama Vaivyavam Rama 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 Nama Tarakam Rama Krishna Vasudeva Bhakti Mukti Dayakam Janaki Manoharam Sarvalokanayakam Shankaradisevyamana Divyanama Vaivyavam Rama 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 Nama Tarakam. Marakatavalli manasa smarami marakatavalli manasa Smarami Marakatavalli Manasa Smarami Marakatavalli Manasa Smarami Madana Janakadideva Palini 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 Marakatavalli Hridaya Veshini Mohini वेशिनीं मोहिनीं हरिहरपुत्र जननीं नलिनीं हरिहरपुत्र जननीं नलिनीं क्रूरदैत्यादिवृन्दमर्दिनीं गुरुगुहादि नूतवह्निवासिनीं क्रूरदैत्यादिवृन्दमर्दिनीं गुरुगुहादि नूतवह्निवासिनीं मरकता वल्लीं मनसा स्मरामि मदन जनकादि देव पादिनी मरकता वल्लीं
மரகத வல்லீம் தாங்கு தக்கிட்ட தத்தக்கு தினக்கு தின் தாங்கு தக்கிட்ட தத்தக்கு தினக்கு தின் நங்களுக்கு தழுது தின் நங்களுக்கு தழுது தின். What a lilting melody. Hello all, my name is Ram Atreya and I have been a long-time resident of the Cambrian area and a long-time Rasika of Carnatic music. Hope you're all enjoying Utsav 2020. I thought I'd take this time to share a few thoughts I have about the compositional variety in Carnatic music with all of you today. So let us begin with what we listened to today, namely the Jalajakshi Varnam in Ragam Hamsadhwani. So there's a couple of interesting things in that Varnam. First, it is a kind of Varnam called a Thana Varnam, which has more to do with the grammatical aspects of the raga itself. In other words, a Varnam created for singing as opposed to dance. There is a whole set of Varnams created for dance called Pada Varnams and Daru Varnams with much more lyrical content that make them amenable for Abhinaya or representation in dance. Coming to the Ragam itself, Hamsadhwani. The Ragam was a creation of Ramaswamy Dikshidhar, who was the father of Muthuswamy Dikshidhar, who is considered one of the trinity of Carnatic music along with Tyagaraja and Shama Shastri. Let me end this session by where I began it with, the song Maragada Valli. As all of you know, it is a composition of Muthuswamy Dikshidhar. So the question I have for you is, which place or kshetra is this song based on? Please type in your answers and I will have my answer when I come back for the second session.
Hadim, Danata Jenu Ram, Danata Jenu Hey, Danata Jenu Ram, Danata Jenu Ram, Danata Jenu Hey, Danata Jenu Ram, Danata Jenu Hey, Danata Jenu Ram, Danata Jenu Ram, Hadim, Danata Jenu Hey, Ram, Danata Jenu Ram. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev Maheshwarah
ನತ ಜನ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ 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 ನವರಸ ಕಲಾರಸಿಕೆ ಓಮಿಕೆ 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 ನತ ಜನ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ ಮದ ಮತ ಗಜ ಮದ ಮತ ಗಜ ಗಾಮಿನಿ ಶಿವೆ 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 ಮಾಮ ವಸತದು ಜನನಿ ಮಾಯೆ ಮದ ಮತ ಗಜ ಗಾಮಿನಿ ಶಿವೆ ಮಾಮ ವಸತದು ಜನನಿ ಮಾಯೆ ದತ್ತ ಜನ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ ನವರಸ ಕಲಾರಸಿಕೆ ಓಮಿಕೆ ನತ ಜನ ಪಾಲಿನಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ ಪರಮ ಕೃಪಾಕರಿ ಭಕ್ತ ಮನೋಹರಿ पंकज नेत्री परम पवित्री परम कृपाकरी भक्त मनोहरि पंकज नेत्री परम पवित्री परगत वर्ण मरगत वर्ण श्री परमेश्वरी मरगत वर्ण श्री परमेश्वरी मरगत वर्ण श्री परमेश्वरी मरगत वर्ण श्री ಸತತ ಜನಪಾಲಿನಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ ನಲಿನ ಕಾಂತಿ
I'll be singing 3 Notaswarams and 1 Mukundamala. I'll be starting with Rama Janardana. Rama Janardana Ravana Mardana Ramanujagraja Raja Vibhu Pamaramuchana Pankajaluchana Bhaktajana Priya Palayama Bhumi Janayaka Bhukti Pradayaka Musura Palana Bhumipati Shamala Vigraha Shanta Guru Guha Sannuta Shri Ramachandra Prabhu Sannuta Shri Ramachandra Prabhu Sannuta Shri Ramachandra Prabhu. Now I'll be singing Somaskandam. Somaskandam Swanandakandam Kamakshisham Kalyanadesham Somaskandam Swanandakandam Kamakshisham Kalyanadesham Somaskandam Swanandakandam Sundarangam Ashrayami Somaskandam Swanandakandam Sundarangam Ashrayami Gangadaram Tam Gauri Sametam Shringara Rupam Shri Somasutram Gangadaram Tam Gauri Sametam Shringara Rupam Shri Somasutram Gangadaram Tam Gauri Sametam Guru Guha Rupam Ashrayami Gangadaram Tam Gauri Sametam Guru Guha Rupam Ashrayami Guru Guha Rupam Ashrayami Guru Guha Rupam Ashrayami. Now I'll be singing Shakti Sahita Ganapatim. Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shankaradi Sevitam Virakta Sakala Muni Varasura Raja Vinuta Guruguham Bhakta Vivoshakam Bhavasutam Vinayakam Bhakti Mukti Pradabhushitangam Bhavasudambuja Bhavayami Shakti Sahita Ganapatim. Now I'll be singing Somas. Now I'll be singing Sarsi Janayani. Sarsi Janayani. Sarasi Janayani Sashanka Chakti Muravidima Viramaspachitaram Tam Sukhataramaparam Najatu Jani Haricharana Smaranam Rutena Tulyam.
Hi, my name is Manasi and I'm going to be singing the Varnam Karunimpa. Sari ga ma pa ma da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ma ri ga ri sa Karunimpa. sari gama pama kripa చూడుమి ఈ వేళ పదమ పగమరి గమ పమ గమరి గరి సరి ని సదని సరి గమ పద పమ దని సరి సరి ని సరి గమ రి గరి సరి ని రి సదని సదని ర పద పమ కృపా చూడుమి ఈ వేళ నీ సరి సని రి సని ని సదా ని ద పా రి గమ పమ గమ రి గరి స రి గమ పా పమ పమ ద ద పద ని ద పద మ ప గమ రి గరి సరి గమ పా పమ గమ రి ద పమ గమ రి గమ ప ని స రి గమ పమ ద ద ని స రి రి గమ రి గరి స ని రి స ని స ద పమ ద ని స స ప ప రి రి ని స రి గమ పమ కృపా చూడుమి ఈ వేళ కృపా చూడు. Thank you.
Namaskaram, my name is Bhavya.
Namaskaram, my name is Kavya
And we're going to be singing Boshambo Kriti.
in Revati Ragam.
Sari ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma ri sa. Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Oh, 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 Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka. Gangadhara Shankara Karunakara Mamava Bhavasagara Taraka. Oh, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Oh, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Kama Kama Buddha Prapancha Rahita. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa Kama Kama Buddha Prapancha Rahita. Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Ananta Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga. Nija Guha Nihita Nitanta Ananta Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga. Oh, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Oh, Shambho, Shiva Shambho, Swayambho. Dini ta dini dini kita tom. Tom tom tari kita tom. Matanga muni vara vandita isha. Sarvadikambara veshrita vesha. Nitya niranjana nitya natesha isha. Sabesha sarvesha. Dimi kita tom 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 tari kita tom. Matanga muni vara vandita isha. Sarvadikambara veshrita vesha. Nitya niranjana nitya natesha isha. Sabesha sarvesha. Po Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho. 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 Po Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho.
Thanks for the responses to the question. Maragadavalli is on Vishnu, who takes the form of Mohini and is the mother of Lord Ayyappa. Continuing the discussion on compositional forms, we now come to the Kriti, which is the focal point of Carnatic music. A Kriti has three parts: the Pallavi, the Anupallavi, and the Charanam. And it also allows for three areas of improvisation: the Raga Alapana, Kalpanaswaram, and Neraval. The Alapana features a delineation of the raga using tadari syllables and other vowel phrases like akara and ukara, and is not bound by any explicit rhythm. After the Alapana, the Kriti is taken up in the same raga and a particular line is chosen for Neraval. Several variations of the line are sung in a creative manner with emphasis on the words or sahitya and the raga bhava or the emotion that the words convey. All this while conforming to the tala or the rhythmic framework of the Kriti. Following the Neraval, solfa syllables or swaras of the particular raga are first sung in lower speed and then in higher speed, each time dovetailing to the start of the line. As with Neraval, Kalpanaswaram must conform to the tala or the rhythmic framework of the song. Let me try a brief illustration of Kalpanaswarams in the Kriti Ma Janaki set to Ragam Kambudi. At the line Vani Matalaku. Vani Matalaku Panidagama Vani Matalaku Padasa Nida Padasa Panidagama Vani Matalaku. Hope this gives you a glimpse into the compositional richness of Carnatic music and helps enhance your listening experience. Thanks again for tuning into Utsav.
Continuing on the topic of compositional varieties in concerts, the main piece is followed by padams, javalis or tillanas, some of which are used in classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. Singers often use this portion to showcase Dasara Padagalu or Dasa compositions prefaced by a shloka. Bhajans and other crowd pleaser songs are also featured. The concert ends in a mangalam, which signifies an auspicious ending to the concert. We have more performances by young artists as part of session 2. We hope you'll stay tuned till the end of the program. Several people coming together actually made this program possible: the participants, their families, and the volunteers. I would like to give a big shout out to Pallavi Vatti, who generously volunteered her time and effort to help us with editing the videos for this program. On behalf of the CIC board, I would like to thank all of you, the talented participants, the amazing volunteers without whom programs such as these would not be possible, and the wonderful community for your support.
Hi, my name is Maya and I'm going to be singing Varashiva Balam in Ragam Shankara Bharnam, composed by Muthuswami Dikshita.
గమ గమ దా ప గ ప మరి మా గ స స గమ గమ దా ప గ ప మరి స గ స గ స ని స ని స గ రి ని రి స ద స ని ప ప ని స గ రి ని రి స ద ప ద ప ద స గమ గమ ద ప వర శివ బాలం వల్లీలోలం వందే నందం హరిహరమోదం హంసనందం హససముఖం గురుగుహరూపం గుప్తకారం కోరక్షంతం సురపతిసేనం సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం సురవినుతం వరశివబాలం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣು ನೀ ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣು ನೀ ಈ ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣು ನೀ ದೀನುದವೈ ಭಜನ ಜೇಸಿ ದಿನಕರ ಕುಲ ಭೂಷಣು ನೀ ದೀನುದವೈ ಭಜನ ಜೇಸಿ ದಿನಮುಗಡುಬು ಮನಿನ ನೀವು ದಿನಮುಗಡುಬು ಮನಿನ ನೀವು ವೀಣವದೇಲ ಗುಣವಿಹೀನ ದಿನಮುಗಡುಬು ಮನಿನ ನೀವು ವೀಣವದೇಲ ಗುಣವಿಹೀನ ಮನಸ ಎಟುಲೂರ್ತೂನೆ ನಾ ಮನವಿಜ ಕೋನಬೇವೋ ಮನಸ ಎಟುಲೂರ್ತೂನೆ కలిలో రాజస తామస గుణములు గలవారి చెడిమి కలిలో రాజస తామస గుణములు గలవారి చెడిమి గలసి మెలసి తిరుగుచు మరి కాలము కెట్ట పగనే సులభముగా కడతేరను సులభముగా కడతేరను
ಆನಂದ ನಟ ಮಾಡುವತಿಲ್ಲೇ ಆನಂದ ನಟ ಮಾಡುವತಿಲ್ಲೇ ಆನಂದ ನಟ ಮಾಡುವತಿಲ್ಲೇ அம்பலம் தனில் அடி பணிபவர் கபஜயமில்லையானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை அம்பலம் தனில் அடி பணிபவர் கபஜயமில்லையானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை அம்பலம் தனில் அடி பணிபவர் கபஜயமில்லையானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை தானந்தம் இல்லாத ரூபன் 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 தஜ்ஜனு தகதிமி தலாங்கு தகதரிகிணதோம் தலாங்கு தகதரிகிணதோம் தகஜனு தகதரிகிணதோம் என்றானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை அம்பலம் தனில் அடி பணிபவர் கபஜயமில்லையானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை பாதிமதி ஜோதி பலீர் பலீர் என்ற பாதசிலம் போலி கலீர் கலீர் என்ன பாதிமதி ஜோதி பலீர் பலீர் என்ற பாதசிலம் போலி கலீர் கலீர் என்ன பாதிமதி ஜோதி பலீர் பலீர் என்ன பாதசிலம் போலி கலீர் கலீர் என்ன ஆதி கரையுந்த நீலகடம் என ஆதி கரையுந்த நீலகடம் என ஆதி கரையுந்த நீலகடம் என அரபுர ஹர சிவ சங்கர அருள்வர குரு பர சுந்தர் அண்டமும் பிண்டமும் ஆடிட என் திசையும் புகழ் பாடிட ஆனந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை அம்பலம் தனில் அடி பணிபவர் கபஜயமில்லையானந்த நடமாடுவதில்லை நடமாடுவதில்லை
Namaskaram. My name is Vishnu Parthasarathi. I am a disciple of Sri Paduka Academy, a student of Sri Hari Devanath and Sri Vivek Sundaraman. Today I will be presenting to you Sakalagraha Balanine in Ragam Atana, composed by Sri Purandara Dasar, set to Kanda Chapel. सकल ग्रह बलनीन सरसिजाक्ष सकल ग्रह बलनीन सरसिजाक्ष निखिल व्यापकनीन विश्वरक्ष 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 सकल ग्रह बलनीन सरसिजाक्ष रविचंद्र बुधनीन राहु केतु नीन रविचंद्र बुधनीन राहु केतु नीन कवि गुरु शनियु मंगलमु नीन कवि गुरु शनियु मंगलमु नीन सकल ग्रह बलनीन सरसिजाक्ष निखिल व्यापकनीन विश्वरक्ष ग्रह बलनीन सरसिज दिवरात्रि नीन नवविधान ऊनीन दिवरात्रि नीन नवविधान ऊनीन दिवरात्रि नीन नवविधान ऊनीन भवरोग हरणीन देश जन्म नीन भवरोग हरणीन देश जन्म नीन क्षमा पक्षमाचवुनीन पर्वकालवुनीन पक्षमाचवुनीन पर्वकालवुनीन नक्षत्र योग गणगलु नीने नक्षत्र योग गणगलु नीने नक्षत्र योग गणगलु नीने सकल ग्रह नीने सदृश निखिल व्यापक नीने विश्वरक्षक सकल ग्रह बलनीने सदृश ऋतुवत्सर भूनीने व्रतयुगादियुनीने ऋतुवत्सर भूनीने व्रतयुगादियुनीने क्रतुषु ज्ञान सद्गतियुनीने क्रतुषु ज्ञान सद्गतियुनीने हितवाहिया नोटेय पुरंदर विठलाने हितवाहिया नोटेय पुरंदर विठलाने हितवाहिया नोटेय पुरंदर विठलाने च्युति के शीलुग राम राम हिम नीने च्युति के शीलुग राम राम हिम नीने सकल ग्रह नीने सत्सिज निखिल व्यापक नीने विश्वरक्षक सकल ग्रह बलनीने सरसिज
अम्ब पाहि जगदम्ब शङ्करी शाम्भवी त्रिपुर सुन्दरी गौरी अम्ब पाहि जगदम्ब चन्द्रचूड निजराणि वाणी चन्द्रचूड निजराणि वाणी भव बन्ध विमोचिनी शक्ति स्वरूपिणी अम्ब पाहि जगदम्ब शङ्करी शाम्भवी त्रिपुरसुन्दरि गौरी अम्ब पाहि जगदम्बा सकलकलासं सेवितरूपे सकलकलासं सेवितरूपे विकसितमुखसं पूजितमाते सकलकलासं सेवितरूपे विकसितमुखसं पूजितमाते यागयोगसंरक्षस्वरूपिणि भोगभाग्यसौभाग्यविदायिनि रागभावसङ्गीतविलासिनि पालय मां परमेश्वरि शङ्करि अम्ब पाहि जगदम्ब शङ्करि शाम्भवी त्रिपुरसुन्दरि गौरी अम्ब पाहि जगदम्बा
ये गोविठले भक्त जनवत्सले भक्त जनवत्सले ये गोविठले भक्त जनवत्सले भक्त जनवत्सले करुणा कल्लोले करुणा कल्लोले पांडुरंगे 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 भक्त जनवत्सले भक्त जनवत्सले सजल जलद घन पीताम्बर परिधान सजल जलद घन पीताम्बर परिधान ये ही भूधरणे ये ही भूधरणे केशिराजे 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 ये भक्त जनवत्सले भक्त जनवत्सले नमामने तू विश्वाची जननी नमामने तू विश्वाची जननी क्षीरदी निवासिनी जगदंबे क्षीरदी निवासिनी जगदंबे भक्त जनवत्सले मैत्रीं भजत अखिलः जयति मैत्रीं भजत अखिलः जयति मैत्रीं भजत अखिलः जयति आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वक्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिलः जयति जननी पृथ्वी कामदुःखास्ते जननी पृथ्वी कामदुःखास्ते जनको देवः सकल दयालु जनको देवः सकल दयालु दाम्यत दत्त दयद्वां जनतः दाम्यत दत्त दयद्वां जनतः श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल जनानां श्रेयो भूयात् सकल
Hello all, thank you for watching. This wraps up our second session of the Cambrian Utsav. I would like to thank Ram and Mahati for accompanying us on the Mridangam and the cymbals. Sorry Ram, we neither gave you a choice or the time to practice. You just winged it and how. So thank you so much again. Our musical piece would have been incomplete without you accompanying us on the Mridangam. And kudos to my co-organizers Kritika, Hema and Lakshmi for taking up this daunting task and completing it successfully. So hope to see you all soon in person. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and please wear a face mask and maintain social distance. See you all. Bye.